Hello, welcome back. For today's video, I have a little jewellery haul and this is from GNOCE. I have seen this brand all over Instagram. I'm very familiar with them actually, and I did mean to place an order with them quite a while back because they have the most beautiful but really cute pieces as well. If you know me, I love anything cute. Anything cute and I'm absolutely sold, and they do the most cutest jewellery, they really do. So I think they're more known for their charms, like their Pandora style charm bracelets, and don't get me wrong, they are absolutely beautiful. It's just for me, I'm not very keen on bracelets. Anything around my wrist, I just don't like it. But I love necklaces and I love earrings as well. So I picked up, I think, one necklace and 3 sets of earrings. So they come presented in this box here, so it's really nice actually. And then you open it up and then we have the logo here, really cute packaging. There's a little card in here as well, which I believe, yeah, maintenance. It's just like how to look after the jewellery. And then we have this beautiful little gift box just here, really nice colour actually. And then open it up. And inside we have this really cute little velvet style bag. So in here is all of the pieces of jewellery. So open it up and I have 4. So we'll run through them one by one so I can show you in detail. We'll have a look at the necklace first, I think. So it's this one here, and this is one of those barrel style necklaces. And it looks like this. It is absolutely adorable. Is it focusing? Yeah. And it's got little paw prints on it. How cute is this? So this one is the GNOCE Paws and Love Heart Twisted Drum Pendant Necklace. That's a long name. And it's made from 925 sterling silver as well. I believe all of their jewellery is 925 sterling silver. And it's got this really nice delicate chain on it as well, which is really pretty actually. It's one of those link chains. And it's also extendable. It's got 3 hoops on it, so you can have it at various lengths, which is absolutely brilliant, you know, depending on what top you're wearing. And then on the actual pendant itself, as you can see on the sides here, it says GNOCE, so it is branded. And then the drum itself is very delicately crafted with these little tiny little crystals. These little paw prints, I love those. And then these little hearts as well in this purple colour, which have tiny little crystals in them as well. This is absolutely beautiful, it really is. And this is what it looks like on. I've got it on the longest length here, just because obviously I've got quite a high-necked jumper. But as I say, it is adjustable and you can wear it on 3 different lengths. Yeah, it's so pretty. I absolutely love it. I really do. I think it's absolutely adorable. And sometimes I've had a barrel necklace in the past and that was quite heavy, you know, like it weighed down quite a lot. Whereas this one is actually quite lightweight, which I like. So yeah, no, absolutely love it. I think it is adorable. Loving the paw prints. And then next up, I have the cutest little stud earrings as well. These are also Paws, but I kind of got them to go with the necklace. See, these are absolutely perfect for me. I'm not one to go for like big statement pieces of jewellery. I like them to be quite understated, quite subtle, should we say. But they're so cute. So look at these. They're these tiny little paws. And the back, I've never seen studs like this actually, like the backs on them. They've got these little balls. That's really cool. So these ones are the GNOCE Cute Pet Imprint Stud Earrings. And these are also 925 sterling silver. I don't need to keep saying that because I'm pretty sure that everything is. So yeah, if we look at them closely, they're sterling silver, obviously the actual paw print. And then inside it, it's got these tiny little crystals again. I'm trying to figure out what colour they are. I think they're like a whitish silver. But yeah, very pretty. And then, as I say, the actual bit that goes into the ear, this bit on the back unscrews like a little ball. And yeah, it's like a little ball basically that screws onto the back. It's quite interesting because, as I say, I've never seen anything like this. I think probably other pieces of jewellery that have, you know, like the bits in the top of the ear and that, I'm pretty sure I've seen them on those, but I've never seen them on like normal earrings. They're probably about, it's just that personally I haven't seen them. they're quite good because the ones that I've had in the past, you know, just the ones that you push on, I have lost them, and I know it's quite common to do that. So where these screw on, it's less likely to happen. Oh my gosh, look at these. They are so cute. I absolutely love them. Just look how dainty they are. Oh, they're so cute. I absolutely love these. They are tiny. The only thing I will say is that the ball on the back is really small, so it's quite hard to if you've got longer nails especially, to do up. That is the only thing. I mean, I still managed it, and these are the sort of things that I'd wear pretty much all the time anyway. But yeah, that is the only thing I will say, but I love them. Yeah, absolutely love these. These are the sort of things that, like I say, I will wear all the time. They're like an everyday piece that you can just pop in and leave in and not have to worry about it. So I have another 2 pairs of earrings. I think we'll go for these ones next because they're slightly different. Oh, these are really nice actually. So it's these hoops here. So look at these. They are absolutely stunning, like really, really nice. I love these ones actually. I've got another pair of hoops like this, and you open them like that, and then obviously pop that bit through your ear, and then this bit like clips on. These, I love this style of earring. So these ones are the star hoop earrings, rose gold plated 925 sterling silver. So they're rose gold plated over the sterling silver quite obviously. And they have these really cute little stars on them. I love stars. So yeah, if you look very closely, they've all got like, it's intermittent, should we say, like stars, and then every other star there's a little like diamante or crystal, and yeah, they are so cute, really pretty. I love them. I love how shiny they are as well. I really like the size of them as well. They're not too big, they're not too small, they're just right. So as I said, they've got this little bar, and then that pops through your hole, and then you just clip it at the back. And look, that's what I mean. They're like the perfect size. I don't like big hoops, but obviously I like them to be big enough to see them, should we say. But yeah, they're perfect. And again, not too heavy either. Yeah, that's what they're like. And as I say, they're like the perfect size. They look so pretty on, they really do. I love these. Again, though, everyday wear, you know, you could get away with wearing these all the time. Yeah, really nice. Really nice earrings. And the very last pair, these are stunning. They're a little bit different to what I expected actually from the picture, but it's these ones. Hit how pretty are these? They look really nice on camera. They are really nice. But it's these here. So we've got these adorable little clouds on them. Stop wobbling. And then there's a little star on the cloud here, and these little gems hanging down like raindrops. And there's a little, this hoop's quite small, but that's fine. But it's got a small hoop similar to the other ones, and then they've got little diamantes all around the hoop here. But the actual the cloud itself in the picture looks like it looks kind of quite flush, but actually it's got these little raised gems all over it. I love this. I think it is so beautiful. I really like the texture of it actually. It kind of adds to that cloudy, like puffy look, if you know what I mean. I love the colour as well, this like really pale blue. These are stunning, really nice, very lightweight as well. I don't normally like dangly earrings that are too heavy and like way down your earlobe, but these, they don't feel like they will. They're very lightweight. Oh, I'm just looking on the description actually, and it doesn't say these are 925 sterling silver. These ones are lead-free eco copper, which is probably why they're so lightweight. And this is what these ones look like on. These are so nice. They really are. They are extremely lightweight, like I say. You can't really feel them, you know, apart from where they move. It's not like they're weighing my ear down or anything. They're really nice. I love this texture on the cloud though. It is so pretty. But yeah, I mean, they're dangly earrings, but you know, they're not like in your face, like big Pat Butcher dangly earrings, if you know what I mean. People from that aren't from the UK aren't going to understand that. But yeah, no, they are so beautiful. Absolutely love them. And as I say, the colour as well is really pretty. So there we go. There is my little GNOCE jewellery haul. Absolutely over the moon. I really am with all of it. It is much nicer than I even expected it to be. I'm very, very pleasantly surprised. I really am. And safe to say, I will definitely be ordering more. Highly recommend them. I think they're absolutely stunning pieces. Really nice quality as well. So as always, I will link all the pieces shown in today's video in the description box below for you, along with the discount code if I can find one as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.